Tired of that pesky HUD getting in the way while you're playing CS2 on your PC? No worries, in this video I'll walk you through how to hide it. So let's dive right in and get started. No time to waste. First, you have to enable the developer mode console. To do that, fire up CS2 on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the top left corner to bring up the settings. Next, switch to the game tab. Now at the top you will find the option to enable developer console. To turn it on, just click the box next to it and select yes. And console will be enabled for you. Now press the backtick key or the one below escape to bring it up. Then type in cl_draw_only_det notices false and hit enter. And the HUD menu will disappear when you're in the game. So that's how you disable the HUD in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel cause we have got more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.